How you can withdraw money from Pocket option. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Pocket option application and sign in with your wallet. Now once you are in the application, what you need to do is to simply click on your profile on the top left corner of your screen, and then you just need to click on the finance. Now once you click on the finance, you just need to click on the withdrawal option, which is on the top left of your screen. And once you click there, this is going to take you to another window, where as you can see right now I don't have the minimum balance available that I can withdraw, but before that I need to make sure to have some balance, or in other words, I have deposited some balance in my account. If you haven't, this is not going to proceed further. Otherwise, you just need to enter the bank details. And as you can see, this can take a few minutes and in some cases up to 3 business days. So you need to make sure to keep this point in mind and you are good to go. You need to make sure to select your fiat currency like US dollars or euro and make sure to enter the details correctly. Hope this helped. This is how you can withdraw money from Pocket option.